I've got something just for you. If you're the person who has experience, skills, and strengths to offer, and maybe you don't fully realize it yet, but when it comes to your resume, you're not sure if it's actually showing off what makes you stand out. Maybe it's been a while since you've updated it. Maybe you're applying and you're just hearing crickets. Maybe you're staring at the screen and wondering, where do I even start? I can help take some of that pressure off. I've created the Resume Reality Check. It's going to get you moving in the right direction. For just $47, you'll get a short video with my first impressions review. You're also going to get a one-page checklist with the top 3 areas to improve on your resume, a resume refresh template to help get you started, and my top 10 resume mistakes to avoid. If you eventually decide to move forward with a full resume audit or the resume refresh service within 30 days, you can actually apply that $47 that you've paid for this to that service. Remember, this isn't a full resume rewrite. It's a real and doable next step to help you feel more confident hitting that send button when you send your resume next. Click on the link to learn more. Let's help your resume reflect who you truly are and get you noticed.